Let's start at the library homepage. The first icon on the left takes you to the library catalog. You can use the big search bar at the top to search the catalog by keyword. By default, it will display items from all of the Corpus Christi libraries, but you can use the drop-down menu on the right to search for items in a particular library. Let's set it to Janet F. Hart Public Library for now. If you're looking for a particular book, enter the title into the search bar and click on the green magnifying glass button. Let's say you just saw the library's guide to graphic novels and you'd like to find Sheets by Brenna Tumler. So we'll type in Sheets and click on the magnifying glass. And we have 45 results. That's a lot, but fortunately the one we want is right on top. On the search results page, we get a little information about the book, including its availability in the library. We can see that several of the Corpus Christi libraries have this book, including the Janet F. Hart Public Library. At the bottom of this description, we have three options: place hold, save to lists, and add to cart. Place hold is a great option for if the book is checked out or if you can't get to the library right now. Click the link and enter your library card number and password, and once you're logged in, click Place Hold. The website takes you to a page where you can choose which library you want to pick the item up. Once you pick up the chosen library, you simply press Place Hold to enter your hold into the system. Save to Lists is perfect for when you're trying to make a to-be-read list. You know you want to read it eventually, but you don't have time now. Click the link and enter your library card information. Once you're logged in, you can press Lists, which is at the bottom left-hand corner of the page. Enter the name of your list, how you'd like to sort it, and if you'd like anyone else to edit your list. The final option, Add to Cart, lets you fill a virtual cart with books and then make decisions about what to do with them later. Let's add Sheets to our cart for now. At the top left corner of the catalog, you can access your cart and see all the options available. You can email, download, or print your whole cart, or you can select items in the cart and place holds or remove them. We can also click on the title to find out more about Sheets. From this page, we can see the full description, including a summary. At the bottom, you can find out which Corpus libraries have this book and see the call number for the book at the library to help you find it on the shelf. Sheets is available at 4 different libraries in the system, and it has a different call number for each one. To find Sheets at the Janet F. Hart Public Library, you'd go to the Juvenile Graphic Novel section and search by the graphic novel's title. It should be in the S section for Sheets. Next to the call number is a link that lets you browse what other books are on the same shelf. Maybe you'll find another book for your to-be-read list. Let's try a different search. You're looking for something new to read, something to help you escape reality for a bit. Bonus points if it can make you laugh. So we'll go back up to the big search bar and try a few keywords. Let's start with fantasy humor. And since we're wanting something we can take home today, let's select the Janet F. Hart Public Library in the drop-down menu. We have 43 results. Some of them look good, but a lot of them are not at all what we had in mind. Let's try using the filters to narrow them down. The filters are located on the left side of the screen. The first option would let us see only items that are available, and that seems like a good place to start. Next, we're really looking for a good read, so we'll look at the item type filters. We can select the filter for book to eliminate all the other options. We have about a dozen options now, so we can scroll down the list. The cozy cover for A Dash of Dragon appeals to you, so you click on the title to learn more. Monster cuisine, a greedy loan shark, and even the elven mafia? You're sold. You can find the book shelved in the juvenile section by the author's last name, Lang. You can also use the library catalog to find ebooks and audiobooks on Cloud Library. Let's look for Divergent by Veronica Roth. We'll go back to the big search bar at the top and change the left drop-down menu to Title. Then we'll type Divergent in the search bar. We'll make sure that the right drop-down menu is set to All Libraries, and then hit the green magnifying glass. We got 15 returns, including books, audiobooks, and the movies based on the books. To narrow it down to electronic resources, we'll use the item type filter for Cloud Library. The top item looks like the one we want, so we'll click on the title. Then we scroll down to where it says Online Resources and click the link for Whole Product Checkout in Cloud Library. The little red page icon on the book cover shows that this is an ebook, and you can check it out by logging in. Or if you prefer an audiobook, you can click on the link for Divergent in the series. This will bring up all of the ebooks and audiobooks for the entire series in Cloud Library. Some of them will have the same little red page icon, but others will have a blue icon with headphones in it for an audiobook.